Sanbonani, ma South Africa mahle, Sanbonani ma Africa mahle. This is Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Welcome yet to another exciting episode. La sizobe sihlafuna indaba zeBafana Bafana. We had two friendlies last week Friday and last night we just lost 2-0. The first game on Friday we drew 1-1, which is the game that 100% and very disappointing ukuthi we didn't win that game because we created so many chances but we were not clinical, we were not composed on the box and in this level Bafethu you can't afford to miss 5 chances or 4 chances because go international level you can't even get 4 or 5 chances in a game at that level. But angihambi ngiyi-one bafethu sizoyihlafuna yonke le ndaba. We'll talk about what we have learned and nokuthi yini ekumele futhi si improve moving forward and maybe the players that we feel ukuthi mhlambe Hugo Bros moving forward he needs to consider bringing them back ku national team to the final squad as much as he said ukuthi already 70 to 75% of his squad esihambayo esiya ku World Cup yena uthe vele showcase seka ku 75 usho ngamanye ama player so kusele le 35 le percent yamajita is still open. Shuffling Diskiringers bafethu, please share, like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates ezeJabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Thingifaki out yami isikhokho sami esikhokhelwayo sizokwazi ukuhlafuna this Bafana two friendlies. Ntwana?
Hola Ntwana.
Friday draw which we were supposed to win that game. Everyone saw that. Then last night Panamo yakhuphula amagi Panamo Autiam and ama-plan yabo nje yabe ingenye indlela mfana benze sure ukuthi lama spaces thanda ukuwayuza lawa using abomudawu and abomudiba and allowing our police to ukuthi ba drift inside to allow amachita ukuthi sibambe sidlale lawo ma long balls behind the defenders lay out this base when will they lose the ball but defender nga 5 and then they packed in midfield not allowing Umkwena no Adams no really uyabona ukuthi badla that fluent combination pass but mdladla ngazi wena ubone kanjani mfana these two friendlies what is something that stood out for you in terms of these two games for Bafana Bafana?
Yeah, nami ke ngilochise igama lami uSibusiso kaMahlangu aka Sense of Knowledge, your co-host on Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Jabu, big lessons for us as a country. I know going into this friendly game, a lot of us were saying, who is Panama? Why are we getting a friendly game in Jengalena? And I think we did answer that question. Maba announced our squad.
Yeah.
The guys, most of them are playing in Mexico. They are a Central American team.
Yeah.
So that is why, because Sotlana in Mexico, which is an opening game, and I got to experience gahle kule game yazolo I Panama.
Yeah.
They're not a bad side.
Mina vele
Like most of us were saying thina abanye ukuthi hey, who is Panama? Why don't you play the bigger teams or you understand? But I got to see those guys. Those guys are, and if you look at ama FIFA rankings,
yeah,
they are higher than us. They are number 33. We are number 60.
yeah,
Which tells you
half.
which they are
Yeah.
a better country than us. And they gave us a very good game.
Yeah.
They opened our eyes. Now we can see where we are as a country. We are not as good as we think maybe.
Yeah.
There's a lot of improvement that needs to happen in that team. Even the coach himself needs to improve and also listen to abantu who are in football, maybe take ama advice lapha nalapha because there's a lot of things engikhala ngazo ukuthi man ucoach makangasiza lana at least maybe we can improve.
Yeah, because mawukhuluma ngama-rankings Mexico actually njengoba sodlala nayo first game Mexico is even number 15
Yes,
Mexico
of course,
so
yeah.
Mexico is even better than
Even higher, yes,
Panama. No,
yes.
better than Panama. So hey, yeah,
It's a tough group for us,
It's a very tough group for us. But as we break it down, we played on Friday. We missed so many opportunities. Autiami I mean, Lyle Foster, he needs to raise his hand. He's been our, top talisman for many years now.
Who plays in a bigger league?
He plays in a bigger league.
Yes.
But I feel ukuthi when we need him most in big games, he doesn't show up. He only scores when Maslara and our team are, like weak. We're not weak, but our team are, not weak. Nothing, as a coach, what word can I use? Because I don't want to disrespect our team. But our team angekho.
Yeah, I can understand. And not a high level team.
Not high level teams. Let me put it that way. Not high level teams. Aga raise him. I mean, look at the goals. Out. I think he missed, if I remember, 1, 2, 3. I think 4 chances
in the first game.
at least on Friday, which were sure goals out here. And you have Uma Hopper, who, when he comes, he gives you that physicality. Actually, they are almost the same, Foster, Uma Hopper.
Yes.
But they will give you that physicality. Uma Hopper, an advantage, is tall, but he's not helping us even Gakulu when it comes to aerial, nan. We understand?
Yeah.
And he's not a goal poacher.
Exactly.
That's another big problem. Now, me ngifila ukuthi ama midfielder wethu mdlali, they work so hard. They create so many opportunities. Amajita ntanga emidleleni abo apolice Muremi is either uwe Thembazwane or uwe Rile, uwe Muremi. I feel ukuthi they don't get justice because they create
chances,
shy as
yes.
midfielders.
Yeah.
He wishes to create scoring opportunities, but our strikers, Mfana, they're not scoring, and we are not gonna win any game. World Cup out here if you don't have a goal poacher that you left at home, which is Ikhin Renas. Before singing, I know ukuthi uRenas udlala is Sundowns, PS Betway, both Noma Hope. Untwana uforced to udlala ku EPL. Yes, it's a different league. He plays at a higher level. We can't take anything away. But let me give you some stats in ngwachekile out here. uRenas currently ku PSL una 10 games. 10 goals, 3 assists in 17 league matches. And remember ubuya ku injury. If azange alimale kube ne 20 kube sekafikile lo mfana. Zokutshela mina for free. But injury imdisturbile. Iyo futhi emluzise ne momentum and the place yebafana. Ne? And then you come to Lyle Foster England, which is the higher league. We understand that it's much more tougher, it's the highest level. But comparing ama league, we have to. Lyle Foster, this season, 3 goals for Ipindi, 2 assists in 23 league matches. That's your top striker, World Cup. That's your South African top striker. That's your best strike in South Africa, the Ushonga Kon. Also, Korela goal World Cup. We understand.
That's 5 goal contribution in 23 games. 23
games. Yeah. Then you go to lastly, evidence Mahopa. 1 assist. Good league for Pirates. 5 goals right now. 3 assists. 18 league goals. Okay. So both players, these local players, yes, they play in the PSL. Saipin is not the same. I know about Mazotia, but it's not the same. Fel is not the same. But unfortunately, Badla PSL.
Yes.
You can just like Kulu. Mangeke school in league. That's not choice.
Yeah.
Both Renas, no Lobam Shalom Fana stats. 5 goals, 3 goals. Ulai England. Low 10 goals la. And the low limit. And then you come to the national team out here. National team Renas. 4 goals. He scored 4 goals in 13 Bafana appearances before Alimal. So 4 goals, 13. You are going to be already it's a good record if Azang Alimal. Then Lyle Foster has contributed 10 goals in 25 matches for Bafana. Then Uma Hopa, he has scored 6 goals in 25 matches for Bafana. So, Urenas is the top striker, bro.
Yeah,
in every way. In every way. There's no way to coach Mfetu Apinda Mshiye.
There's no way.
I don't know why.
No, I think Joe, the coach himself now he knows, because before you came to the States, you were telling us about the midfield players, Aborile and everyone, the attacking players creating chances.
Yeah.
We've got all of that thing. We've got all of that. Now we need someone who's going to stay in the kitchen, like Umak Williams always says, and just score the goals.
Fin-
What's the point of having a striker that will run around, causing everyone, but we're not scoring goals? That's what we need, goals, and that's current. That is what we are lacking, and I think the coach, I don't know a problem. If he does have a problem with Reynas, but I feel Gucci as a country, we ask you, coach. So we humbly request that bring Ikram Reynas.
He's our best scorer.
I mean,
As
so
simple as that right
if
now
he does
in South
not do
Africa.
the hard work, all that thing, he will score goals for
He's
you.
not that player for you. You have already these two.
You have the two,
Which
They will
is
do
fine.
that.
We're not saying take out these two you're in. We are saying add this one, this quality that we lack.
Exactly.
And we are sitting at home. I mean, the first goal in fair to quickly, Umudao. We had a chance to. I'm sure we always start to play.
Yeah.
And I remember, Ipanamo that time jet lag, traumatizing. That's why you could see they couldn't cope with the intensity and the pace too. And you know, since we've traveled out here,
Yeah.
traveling more than 15 hours, 16 hours, and then you have a game in
Yeah,
24
it will
hours.
affect some things, yeah.
It will affect you. So that's when we were supposed to hit them 5.
Yeah.
And we didn't do that.
Yeah.
And the coach said, with Panamo, post-match interview, the second match, what I sibabonile thina so manje khane siyodlala ibhola lethu because those factors esikhuluma ngazo, traumatizing, jet lags, it took a
The
toll.
effects
It took a
enkulu,
toll
yeah.
from our players. But
Yeah.
now we've traumatized since a few days sesimnandi traumatized. It's going to be a different ball game and we are going to play our game. Okay. Mina I feel ukuthi babonile nabo as much as Mr. Machance up high, Baboni looked okay. We were not at our best, but we managed to throw these guys. So what we do now, when they lose the ball, Bebashanga 5 mover, then pack the midfield, then Umkwena, no, Adams. They were not in the game yesterday. They were not in the game. They were not clicking the way. They were not bad, because if they were bad, those guys, they should have scored more goals because but they couldn't because of the way, the structure, tactical discipline. Panama, there's a lot that we need to improve. And Urili got a start. In the first game, Umshishi played 60 minutes.
Yeah.
And the washo coach what vela ngeke adlale 90 minutes ngoba akekho sharp yet because akadlali ngale, which is fair, but maka fit nyamthathu uyaya ku World Cup as long as fit angalimalanga nyamthathu. Now you check this, he played 60 minutes, he only lost the ball 8 times. Uthemba Zwane. Then Urili comes in for 60 minutes, I mean, Umshishi, the first game.
In the first game.
In the first game. Then Relay comes, last 30 minutes, and then he loses the ball 10 times. And Umshishi played 60 minutes, lost the ball 8 times. He actually experienced lap. As much as Urili Simngane, but there's still a lot international level. I find PSL games and there.
Yeah.
Lapha baya maso ulbambe. Bavule.
Back direct.
Back direct.
But
wena
yeah,
ukuthi sifuna
yeah.
That's what Ipanamo did yesterday, the whole game. They directed us in useless areas to play the balls that will never hit them.
And,
So why raise our stats? Now Urile Izolo mdlala before ngena. Okay, because we had to sim check and Wamqala Hugo Bros, which for me I think he played well. Regarding he's still 21 years. Abantu banokhohlwa sinokhuluma ngoRile ngathi he's a 28-year-old, he's already experienced. He's still a baby, this boy.
Yeah.
Ukuthi nje achieve a lot domestically. But internationally, kuyabonakala igap yakhe. Mawucompare yena ubheka nabo Lamil. Uyabona ukuthi umsebenzi ubhaya out. Talent likhona. Asiyaliyeka italent.
No doubt.
Yeah, sikhuluma ngestandard esokudlala international level. But he did well. Waphulile ama-window ngama-pass. Hlongwane laphayana coming back, uHlongwane ku national team. Naye, the last time he scored many goals, he's dipping. The last time when he scored 17 goals, Keletsu, he was chasing Umesi. That was 2023 season.
La dlala khona.
Ngokutshela yeah, elentweni. Minnesota United. 17 goals 2003. He was behind Umesi. 2004, waqala drop, I think.
2024.
2023.
Okay.
2023.
Alright.
Yeah. And then 2024, waqala drop from ku 17 waya ku 11. 2025, drop futhi waya ku I think 5. Now this current season he played 5 games already. Angisho khanda akusukudala icala.
Yeah,
He hasn't scored no assist. So from 2023 he's been dropping.
He's been going down, yeah.
But yena he has an eye for goal. But generally
Watching his game is all mara wena.
I think he played well.
Yeah.
Just that ukuthi he lacked lobu sharpness and composure. Njoba ngokubalela ama stats wakhe
Yeah,
ukuthi
yeah.
lento ayicala izolo. From eklapini yakhe America he's been dipping from 2023 17 goals. He's been scoring lesser and lesser and lesser and lesser every season.
So you think coach Hugo Bruce, because he said I think 70-75% of the team already he's got it in his mind.
Yeah, he's got it.
So would you say Kula Maposi, which position do you think the coach is still saying I'm sure alone, I'm still looking? Which position according to when or do you think ukuthi mhlawumbe akakabi sure ngakhona?
Obvious mfana inet enyakazi.
Yeah.
It's a problem.
Yes.
It's a striking
So it's a
force.
striking
now.
force.
Yeah, it's a striking force. Uhlongwane coming in. Remember, kule position compete nabo the likes of Nkota, and Nkota is not yet out of Ibafana.
Yeah.
He was not selected now, but it's not like he's out.
Yes.
Because now he had personal problems few months ago. That's why he even lost his place in Saudi Arabia. But anytime he can redeem himself, Jongo Jaden Adams.
Yeah,
You understand? So I feel with me nama midfielder simnandi uyaya ngigrand ngaye uAdams ngigrand kakhulu and then nobani uTaves amnandi uMudiba ngimnandi ngaye but uMudiba akakwazi ukudefend le
Yeah.
goal la izolo out yami the cross the second goal
Yeah.
if I'm not mistaken
Second goal,
the
yes.
second goal useboxini esayidini it's 1v1 umile wenza so uyama attack put pressure tackle makumele uthekile but obvious Spanish ingcono you can't be a left back mdlali ama left back kwamanje aphuma clean emagaming
Yeah.
guys it's like le lento mdlali it's like le goal esilconsidered on Friday lilakasela ube too casual lapha udlala uAbbas ne
Ufuna
Why-
udlale 1-2 la.
why
usalwini.
sometimes we go process watch match after that game guys sometimes yes it's more than football but sometimes when you're under pressure out time we defend mfana khahlela ibhola ngaphandle mfana awuswi but then we regroup
Yes, no, let me tell you something that are my observation about Bafana and how we play football. One, we are going to play our team, anama analyst and everything. They analyze our team, ne? And the team when we play the same way. They already know how we move. They already know as not plan B. So this is what the teams that do. Mabadlalana. They know technically we are good. We can move the ball so well. So sometimes what you were talking about, which they allow us to have the ball, and then they direct us.
Yeah.
Goal, and they allow us. And then they have pressing triggers to say, once it goes there, we can press them there,
Yeah.
and then already we know because sometimes our rest defense is so bad that about loser they know where to play the ball. They guys just go 1-1-1, it's a goal, and that's the biggest problem that we have as a country because Lenteng Kuluma I even saw it with Mamelodi Sundowns World Cup. Club World Cup.
Yeah,
we
okay,
keep the
especially
ball.
against Dortmund.
Yes, we keep the ball. They allow you.
No,
They
you're
have the
right,
ball.
you're right.
It's going to happen like
Yes,
it during the World Cup.
yes.
They will allow us to have the ball. And we think, yeah, we have the ball. We have a ball position. We dominated. No, they allow you to dominate.
yeah
So I think sometimes we need to have option B because they will allow you sometimes to have the ball. These teams, like Panama did now, and you think you are better. You are having. We need to have a option B of how to do certain things when oppositions give us the ball. We need to know what to do with the ball.
yeah because when amdlala ilineup uyibonile izolo angisho Mudau as usual Mudiba the interesting one for me was this two center backs there at the back Okom and TLP. I think coach ngokubeka uNdamane phansi from the previous game of Friday he wanted to see this the combination uyakambokazi noOkom. Mina personally as uJabu Okom did very well in the first game. That's my view. And yesterday he did very well futhi. Considering ukuthi bekaqala ukudlala ku-national team noNdamani and bekaqala ukudlala ku-national team futhi noMbokazi. I-performance yakhe, I mean pass accuracy yaka Okom, it's over 90%, bro. Pass accuracy.
Yes.
So umnandi, he's comfortable on the ball. Le style sethu is a proper like we are suitor da. And then yesterday, because of Mdladla, we didn't create half time. We never had a shot on target. If one, I think we had 1 or 0.
Yeah.
But still, even if we had 1, but the whole game we had 1
Ile yakahlongwane.
on target. No, Hlongwane
But I'm just saying you as a chance ngathi.
yeah, that's a big chance that
Yeah.
we've missed.
Yeah.
So you can't play in Fana and a home game and then you dominate position, but you have 0 shots on target or 1 shot on target.
Exactly.
Out here, yeah, but
Yeah.
so for me, I think Uguti again Izolo. It was
Ungakasuki lapho. We're still talking about the 2 center backs,
Yeah.
Umbokazi no
Yeah,
Okhona.
yeah.
In terms of height, Umbokazi we all know he's short.
yeah.
Ne? Okhona is a little bit taller than Umbokazi. Ne?
Yeah.
But for me, talented as the two are, boy two, they're very talented.
Yeah, fairly.
But inexperience. And for me,
Yes.
it's a big factor.
Yeah.
It's a big factor.
Yebo.
You can have
That's
players
very
who are
true.
talented, Ntwana, but going to that stage, the World Cup,
Kune-Grootman efunakalayo somewhere la.
I mean, Ntwana,
Yeah.
funakale Grootman
A1.
A1.
Yeah, you are right, Mdladla.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Angeke sihambe ngale ntwana zonke kanje bafethu.
It's young boys. You cannot put ama hopes with country kumfana omncane and expect them to carry the country. Yes, they can do it, but I feel ukuthi mina we do need one experience, and I will say this for me. Ukekani Ntwana, he's playing now with Sundowns.
Mara nokekani? Okay, qeda.
Yes, he's playing with Sundowns. He's also he's playing Africa, Baku Champions League, so he's used to playing big games, and he knows international football. Sometimes when playing domestic football and
No,
and
not sometimes.
international,
Ayifani.
Ntwana.
Vele ungathi sometimes
Yeah.
uyibeke kahle. Ayifani mnganami.
Ayifani.
Ayifani mnganami.
So the experience Kekani Ntwana for me, it's crucial. Crucial.
Now, I
kakhulu.
agree with you.
So I feel ukuthi Ntwana, if I were to give you, if I were to say Ntwana, I'm a players for me, like let's improve khona at the back, one defender eline experience like Ukekane.
Mara unosibisi. Ungezani plays UEFA Champions League. He plays at the highest level ukubadlula bonke.
Ungezani, I don't think he will make it because
No,
he's injured.
I'm just
Yes.
saying. Yeah,
Yes,
nami I'm just saying.
sesilungisela manje World Cup.
Yeah. No, phela i-World Cup in 2 months mhlamba ngaba right.
No, injury yakhe it's bad.
Oh, but
Ngibonile
it's bad.
bakhulume ngayo.
Oh, if he's out.
Bekumele ayoshaya i-surgery,
Okay.
refuser, so there's nje.
Okay.
So I doubt ukuthi he will make it.
Okay, sharp.
Yeah.
So
so kusho ukuthi usibisi
or ukekani.
or okay for me.
Yeah.
And ubhodlela in terms of height izobashaya futhi mazomphera noMbokazi. Expose kakhulu.
But they've played so many games together and we won.
But they in the national team.
Yeah.
But manje mfana phela ama team esodlala
Badlalile
nawo.
boyithu
Czech
labo.
Republic.
Yeah.
Did you see Czech Republic?
No,
Ubonile ukuthi ezange
no,
ngesingakanani?
no, laphana kenyiwe vele ngifike vele mangibuya bengenza igame ebafana ngisho.
Yeah.
Ngifike vele sikuma penalty
Yeah.
actually because it was Siphume late le. Ngifike vele sokuma penalty. I couldn't even watch the game.
Lama thita told you maybe
Vele
2
bathi
meters
labantu,
tall
yeah.
somewhere ngithola.
Badala labantu.
So udlala ngoMbokazi nobhodlela mfana bangaka labantu labo.
And look at how we considered the goals even yesterday.
Bheka
Ngama
ama
set
cross,
plays.
ama set plays.
Bad defending from both goals, bruh. I mean, lentwana okay, ntwana before singena le ngicela uceda le point yami yaka Okom
Nombokazi.
First half, we couldn't do anything. These guys, they were better than us. Like Usho. They were better than us without having the ball. And umuntu uzojuja uyahlanya
Ukhuluma
ngoba besilpe. Ile this issue, they allow you and push you to useless areas.
Yeah.
You know where you won't hit them, and at the right time they will press you, and they were very dangerous. But what I liked about Umbokazi is taking, as young as he's taking leadership. Okay, first half, Izolo Pellet was not the same as Friday games. Friday we missed chances. we misplaced
Creatile
we
ama-chance.
misplaced all those opportunities.
Yeah.
But in this case here is all we were not that creative because these guys were well organized technically, tactically, they were very superior.
Yeah.
They were pushing us kwamanye ama areas nathi singazi ukuthi simele senzeni. Sharp. Umbokazi, what I like, I have to highlight this kuma viewers. Buffett, don't forget to share, like, hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates. Is Jabu Mahlangu and discussion this. It's all things Bafana now. Twana, uthathe i-decision mabaqeda ukuscora izolo. Bascore nini? Yesterday bascore ngikhumbuzeni Buffett.
Around 68 minutes. So
Yeah, ngibhalile la. Oh, 58.
50, yeah.
Yeah.
Somewhere there.
Yeah, Cordoba. He's a defender. He plays in Norwich Championship, England.
Yeah.
He's a young player. I think he's 20. He's 25 or 24. He's between the Ntwana naye. Then Umbokazi, because of now first half Azange. Why I raise this point is because first half Azange advanced Umbokazi naye won because he was still learning. Trying to learn each other no Oko. But second half, Besekacala advance. Because before he score, 10 seconds before he score, he got the same shot. Ne, yeah. Let me tell you the technique. Lapayana when you pick a spot, will the shot
Yeah.
and then he height here ball it was low.
Yeah.
And then seconds later, Yabuya same position, same that. So that shows the boy is improving. So he knew first time he pendile. Height yambe iphansi le pari yabuya nayo. Yazi manje wenze niwidle ngamalezi wafaki imbumbulo. Yeah, wathi walixebula, wathi walixebula, wathi imbumbulo. Makaqeda ukuthi imbumbulo le wakhuphula iheight.
Yeah.
Guys, lento le iplayer lelo. Umuntu okhona like a second ago ifana noma mdlalo wenza ipractice shooting kelethu ubeka amabhola ayi5 elokucala litha lithi elesithuli babhetha elesi3 libabhetha. So that's what I like. That's why I have to highlight this boy is improving, guys. That boy is a machine. So he scored that ball
And bheka the scanning job. Bheka the scanning uyibhekele lapho lalela. Maliya le kuThemba. Ma njengoba 10 uThemba.
Yeah.
Uqala ubheka emva kwakhe Umbokazi.
Yeah.
Before aphakamisa
Isadi, yeah.
We are there's no one here. We are born So when the ball comes now, he's focusing on his first touch.
Yeah. And he knows what is the same similar situation few seconds ago.
Yeah.
So it's just a fresh engqondweni
Yeah,
yakhe.
lapho la kaThemba ulibona ukuthi liza kanjani. Liza
Yeah.
lisemoyeni. It's not ukuthi ibhola aleke kamnandi on the ground, but he focused on the first touch. Twa le barriers wayiqeda.
Phakamisa imic intwana.
Wayiqeda ngeAlaska.
Yeah.
Wadubule, hey,
Beautiful
ushaya
goal.
umuntu.
And Shanyazi is so sad, guys, to score a beautiful goal, a fantastic goal like this, then you lose the game.
Yeah.
I
match winner
I
lapho,
told
kahle
after that goal bekumele uRevra impempi iphele le
Hamba
game siyolala.
Yeah.
Chance
Yeah,
serious
yeah,
uRevra
ekhaya.
uRevra mina ngiyamkhomba usikhawatini. Naye akabonanga into sokuthi kumele vele ayikhaya naye. Yentwana hayi into nje siyayivala mfethu hayi into nje mfethu hayi kuzosekumosakale kuzosekumosakale yabo shayile le nto then back into the game now. Remember mabaqeda ukuscora we introduced abumshishi sithole Maseko, young Maseko. Yeah, he tried but obviously impact bengekho kangako. Njoba ngishilo no really impact bengekho kangako but lama pass awakhiphile those few passes and that big chance yakaHlongwane bezoyenza igama lakhe libe lihle manje really if lo mfana uHlongwane scored that goal but njoba ngisho uHlongwane naye he's a good player, he's got the eye for goal as a winger but okwamanje njoba nginibalela ama stats uyaleka man in terms of that scoring entweni ngizothini appetite lekuscora angazi why because nangale he's struggling. I just did my stats but overall mdladla now it's 1-1 City no okay. Hey, we are taking the game. Big up to South African supporters or fans Bafethu. Sold out stadium on a Tuesday night Bafethu. 3 years ago, Bafana bedlala under 5,000 fans a stadium. 3 years ago or 4 years ago. We have to remind ourselves that Bafethu. 3 years or 4 years ago ibafana bedlala under 5,000 fans like I. Oh, ibafana bedlala under 5,000 fans like I. And South Africans, and I saw all the race. I saw whites, I saw Indians, I saw even abanye white people wearing emapogopo colors, but those are South African colors, green and gold. Guys, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. Coming back to the game, it's 1-1 to 1. Still, Mfana, look at the way we concede the goal, the second goal. Njoba ngisho Mdiba, why don't you press lapha? Umelani lapha ne play, because that guy he looked for like few seconds. Press mfethu. And then
trying to come back to his.
And he's a
Strong
left footer.
foot,
You should have
yes.
knew.
Nisele
Like that
ku-right.
miss mfakele. Fana was disappointed nge defending yakamdiba, and he gets away with it.
Yeah.
But good at level. Yabona kule level esiku mfana yokweka bonke baba exposed. Naye usela lento yakhe ukuthi ayizama extra touch manje sekathi ngibamba ibhola alipolish. Why? Sela you are a defender, bra. Get the ball, pass the ball quick. Release the ball half here so that we can get quick. But now it seems like ukuthi yonke into say ikhanda lakhe seliyaduma. He's still a good player, but that lama extra touch wakho usela, you must stop it, bra. At that level, you will cost us.
Yeah.
Uzoscosta. Laphayana ntwana one touch, two touch uyahamba laphayana. Lapha kuyahanjwa laphayana.
Yeah.
Le yakhe manje sekalibamba sekazenza urili sekanokuthi I right back.
Yeah. Mara last
To us-
is trying to be creative.
No, he does it even on our
Makalithi ubhekile imbobo lapha ukuthi mangilithi intwana kwenzakalani lapha. Mangilithi pari mayelahlile ngiyadlala. Yonke uthi vala mayithi uyadlala. It must be creative kula state.
No,
Yes,
we
but
answer no.
ungapolish la
No,
umuva, right.
no, we answer na ku half yethu. He does vele sometimes makalibamba a free uyalibamba athi. Joe, kule level layer ayifuneki la ile ngibafethu.
Yeah.
As a especially my defender. Joe, mabakuphasa uyalitrapper. Makungena umuntu ulibusela kuloya or udlala la.
No fancy stuff.
Mawulimele uthi siyakwata thina awusi defend. And manje laphayana ku international level wena mawusabheka uthi leya run le ngizokwenzela umzekelo khona le i-first game uLyle Foster bambize offside ulibambile walithi.
Yeah.
It was not offside, the linesman was wrong, but ngifuna ukubonisa kule level that extra touch ukuthi ingakhosta.
Yeah.
That one touch kelithu iyakhosta bra. Ulibambile wathi uFoster wathi balahlile. Walibamba wathi uThemba kali release. uFoster okay ufakwe iloya olephambili. But on another day but one step up front. Makacala lidlala uFoster sekayi1. And sometimes uFoster he'll be frustrated now as much as he is not clinical. But people must release the ball quicker.
No, right.
Quicker at that level when I'm done. Sharp. See, consider Intwana Ulena Eskukune goalkeeper. I was happy to see him. Actually, half time is all on SAPC when we were doing the game. I actually said it. Ngati nyacela kuleki practice match. Ngicela Ulena ukos okay sharp, but ngicela Ulena bamfaka kanti uyamfaka. Nas. I said it is all. SAPC kanti uyamfaka just to see him because anyway, it's a practice game. So if we don't put him here, ufuna ukumriska singamazi le ku World Cup. Hayi lapha ngeke. Hayi ngona sibone yonke. If kunomhlolo kubele sibone, asibone manje. And he made a good save.
No, it was not bad.
He made a good save. Ngale joba ngithi uMudiba allowed. I still say Mudiba, you are a defender. When you must defend, bra. He's so talented to Mudiba. He gave us width, he gave us a numerical advantage, must attack, but his primary position is to defend.
Yeah.
Now it seems like I'm a right back with they are defenders. Now they behave like they are more midfielders. And I'm not bashing them, but I'm saying, guys, your primary and twin job is to defend first.
And ntwana bazoyenza kanjalo ku World Cup. Lento okhuluma ngayo ntwana.
Ma-
Both our full backs izoyenzakala ntwana.
Then those slimmers
bayakhuphuka vele.
5.
Bayakhuphuka
So
bethu.
swathola buma 3-5.
So kumele
discipline.
basisipane ngayo
Yeah,
lento
that's
no
why I need discipline. Yes, we've played other countries, African countries, which are strong, but they are not at the same level as good level esiya kuyo manje eAmerica uthi amna seMexico. Uyabona, so amachidamelazi uthi ejo umuntu umdribule makumele tight angle ntwana tight angle yes tight angle ayisela libambe ntwana uthi tight hayi uyi1 iplayer lilapha yana lilapha at 4-5 meters kuwe lingakupress, then when you do this it doesn't look good as a defender, guys. That's all I'm saying. It doesn't look good. A defender must be clean. Ta
Yeah.
ta it worked kwamanye ama-game, but bekungasile level esikuyo. So
it's
kule
another
level
level,
esikuyo
man.
it's another level. Nawe kumele u-adjuste.
And also,
Uyangithola? So asingene, sorry mdlalo, singene kule goal ngoba sesizoyivala.
Yeah.
Then umuntu bakapresi took long, he allows umchita ako left njoba sisho ukuthi angene ku left. Uyangithola? Wrong. Uyabo? Cross the player that side. I just forgot his name. If Aksu, I just forgot his name. Lo mchita bengimbhalile la ngibhala into eziningi. Sharp. Even when he received the ball after that cross, ama-defenders bewagcwele ku-penalty spot wonke.
Yeah.
That guy was a bad
Body
defending.
positioning
I'll tell
yawo.
you, bad
Bame
positioning.
kanje, basicole.
Bonke. I'm talking about all our defense.
Yeah.
It was bad position. That guy utepe ibhola, guys. I won. What ta? Makata walibeka phansi. Then he shot. Ulena saved that ball. Joba iya. Oh, it was before Umule. It was a set
first-
play.
yes.
Set play. That guy was alone. Walibeka.
Bekumbokazi noMaseko.
Yeah, beka mdlali. Ta.
Yeah.
Ta. That's the second touch. Eboxing. Isikhathi esingaka.
Yeah.
Isikhathi esingaka bapha ama-defender. Ta. Washuta ulena saved. Njengoba seliya kulo their right wing. Still, we were still in control. Now Mudiba press that guy or push that guy to go to the left because he's a left footer. He wants to cut in. It's Leandro Mudiba fit bamfundisa sasintwana, he knows it. But because gents, we have to say it. Bafana players, you are too relaxed now. Like sense of agency needs to improve.
But check umbokazi.
Sense of agency, it needs to improve. Cross that guy 1, 2 and shoot epoxy alone. Nah, bagcwele lapha, bagcwele goalkeeper lemfana abantu akakhona ukubona. Mara he saved us. Labuyi ibholo. That header, it was balkore kule a small box. There was no chance for goalkeeper. Any goalkeeper angeke ayisave le ball. So which means now, in my view, we have a serious problem defending ama set place intwana sesizoyivala.
Yeah, kakhulu.
Serious
kakhulu.
problem. And lapha
Mina yabona njengoba nawe ukhala ngoMudiba, I'm also mina nami ngikhala ngombokazi in that goal. Le goal lokhuluma ngalo. Same licala njengoba liya lo mgida al trap alibuyisa phansi. Umbokazi noMaseko baphikile lapha bayi2. And then those guys Okon he was a little bit inside lapha kule siququko
so who was supposed to mark that guy? Lo ubambele ibhola kuqala lo shooting.
ubaleka uDoja umbokazi. uDoja umbokazi lo mthita lo njengoba yale ayobafika
Njengoba phila kanje,
uphila off kumbokazi umbokazi uyamiyeka first sharp uyalibuyisa lo mthita uyashoot uyasave ulina liya ngaphandle malibuya kwesi2 umbokazi is still standing lapha bamshiye khona is still there baba yokora lapha so azange react shoot imabalicala balihlaba mali kaliluza akathi okay let me recover get back in your pick again.
No,
It does not do that. So you need to improve.
So it was a collective error. Bad
nje,
defending
yeah,
team
too many
yethu
errors,
kulama
man.
goals wethu kahle
Too
kahle.
many
And we don't
errors.
blame individuals. We've never blamed individuals. We just want them to improve. And also when I'm Dladla, lastly,
ayukeletsa usijahile.
yeah, and no, lastly when I'm Dladla,
Yo.
ulom njengoba usho it's a defending error ye team yonke, but now lastly mdlala si kulama game we2 asibonisile ukuthi there's a lot of work to be done, but we are not like bad yabo, but for that level hey yeah uRenas mina gents ngisasho Renas is our clinical striker and is a proper number 9. Le ukuthi uzogcwala achayisane nama defender njengabo Mahopa nabo le, it's not his game yena ushinet, so he needs, please, I'm not deciding and we are not deciding it here as a JMTS to the coach, but okwamanje he can put a blind eye ku Renas akana choice uyazibonela.
Maybe for the coach in Ntwana City in our comment section kelethu JMTS can they tell us bona ukuthi who do they think the coach must add for, let's say maybe 3 ukabangani mina sengibuze wena kuqala think it's two players that you think maybe can be added kule team le manje going to the World Cup.
Amfethu kwamanje uRenas vele angeke ahlale uRenas and then emuva njengoba ushilo ukuthi okay ungezane ulimele because mina bengizopreferela based on udlala iUEFA Champions League guys.
Yeah.
Yes, uKekani he plays iCAF Champions League naye udlala ilento. You understand? So but I can agree with some of the fans ukuthi we can have uGrant and we can also have naye uBodlela as a backup ku World Cup
As a backup,
because he's a
yes.
senior player, both two laba bama senior player because le ntwana zincane. You
Une
understand?
leadership uBodlela.
Yeah, and une leadership uBodlela on and off the field. So we can have those two players emuva and then we can add uRenas laphayana. Maybe if uNkota improve in kule 2 months na into zakhe ziba right, ikhanda lakhe liba mnandi, ama personal issues wakhe seka delay nawo, seka mnandi untwana seka focusile, naye he can be a good additional to the squad. And then
watching uMaseko umbona kanjani uMaseko?
Maseko sasemncane uMaseko angahlala kancane la ekhaya uzabona kwamanye ama World Cup namanye ama ini kwamanje is not in that level at all, but it was nice for him to be given that taste, that experience. Bafethu, we're not bashing him, just but kwamanje ku World Cup the thing is asifuni iplayer elizamayo, sifuna umuntu ocomplete oyocompete la osuswinela because it's a World Cup. Akuna ukuthi uzo improve kula
So you want the best that
we
the
want the
country
best
has.
that the country has right now and go and compete.
But you've
so
got Uloch Ntwana. What's your take? Uloch
we,
he's the best that we have. Sifuna the best that
Yeah,
and he's got the experience as well.
yeah, he's got the experience, Uloch, and he can be a great additional in terms of experience. He's been doing well. Club World Cup, he showed everyone, even now, big money moves in the
Al Ittihad.
yes, you know, big money moves. He's still a great player. Party. The problem, I think, Mina, I'm not saying Injal, is not part of the process.
Yeah.
Maicala, this project and stuff. And I know some of the players, I'm not saying wonke ama-player mele abe party process. Some of the players vele you'll select them along the way. But I think that's the main reason ukuthi umadala angamkhuthazela into engiyicabangayo ukuthi hayi akusizi. I've been winning for all these 3 years. South Africa yaba yilento eyiyo namhlanje njengoba sekugcwale stadium without him. I think that's where Hugo Bros is stuck. But if he can find a space for him, I don't have a problem. I'll be happy with that also.
Mina, my 3 players I can bring into this team sesivala Ntwana. Grant Kekane, Thembinkosi Lorch, Ikram Reyners. Ngiyayivala.
Yayivala ntwana ne.
Danko,
Yeah, siyabonga. Lastly sesival. Istriker set izolo khona le pass le sidlale khona urile wa release uhlongwane wathi udlala cutback. I defender beyimbambe kanje uFoster ukuthi angashayele ya run. Yazi wenzeni uFoster la?
Yeah.
Uye ku review wa complain ku referee. Now eyokugcina ukuthi ngikhumbula manje ngiyazi bese sidlulile bafethu but ngiyayikhumbula ngicela ukuyisho. uFoster udlala eEngland. eEngland bayaprotect abo referee. uRenas udlala eAfrica bakuprotect uyalwa. I-defender vele izoma so mdlali i-stretch izandla ukuthi ungadluli. Uyama yena uthi kule opportunity ukhomba uReferee. But if bekuRenas bengazompusha because eAfrica you fight, you are not protected. Bengifuna ukusho kanjalo bafethu. That was Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis shuffling Tiski Ringers. Sisayincane bafana but sikhulumile thina umbono wethu as iJMTS and it's a game of mistake and I mean of opinions. Usenze ushilo naye ukuthi singa eda ini. What have we learned mdlala soyivala ke manje? What have we learned ntwana sifunde ini ntwana siyayivala sifunde ini and then obviously sikhulumile ngoku-improve. We must be clinical, we creating chances, but what have we learned siyayivala?
Ntwana mina I feel ukuthi angazi ukuthi sifundile because AFCON sibonile ukuthi sine problem yama goals.
Eish mfethu
Sibonile still as improve. Sibonile ntwana ukuthi defensively
ama-aerial balls
ama aerial ball ayashaya, still we are not improving. So I'm not sure which we are learning because we are preparing on it. So we should show ukuthi sifuna improve, but we are not. We are still at the same level esidlale ngayo AFCON. We are still considering ama mistake
afanayo.
So I'm not sure if we are learning as a country.
Hi. Buffett, let's hope we are learning. Let's hope we've learned good 2 games and we will improve. And Mina, lastly, I'm just hoping good at least we can get last, practice games. Eyokugcina just sibone ngale squad manje Hugo Broos azothi this is my final squad, and then at least sibone something. But we'll keep on. We are patriotic thina la ku GMTS. Black, green and gold all the way. Support Bafana, win or lose, dark or blue, Svanandi. But Bafethu, please, Coach Helman Mkelele, Kulmano Matala nae. Sometimes Matala Gamamele, Angabi arrogant, something alumfano renas. That was Jabu Maslang and Tiski Shandis. Shuffling Tiski ringers. Bafana, Sianganyo Bafethu, Tanko.
It's a rap.